What if you could analyze market digit patterns and make data-driven trading decisions in seconds? In this video, we're taking a look at a market analyzer even odd bot that tracks probability patterns and helps traders identify potential opportunities in real time. Right here on the dashboard, the bot continuously monitors the market and collects digit data from recent ticks. These numbers are then organized into probability distributions, giving us a quick visual overview of how often each outcome appears. Instead of guessing, traders can now see the statistical behavior of the market. Here we can see the distribution of digits from 0 to 9. The system tracks how frequently each digit appears, allowing traders to detect imbalances or patterns in the market behavior. When certain digits become statistically stronger or weaker, it may signal potential trading opportunities. One of the most interesting features is the even and odd probability tracking. The bot automatically calculates how often even digits and odd digits occur within the analyzed data. If the probabilities begin to shift, traders can use that insight to build short-term trading strategies based on statistical momentum. Every action taken by the system is recorded in the trade log, which gives you full transparency of previous trades, outcomes, and performance. This makes it easy to evaluate whether the strategy is performing as expected. And here we can see the profit curve, which visually tracks the system's performance over time. This graph helps traders quickly understand how the strategy is evolving and whether adjustments might be needed. Of course, like all trading systems, this tool doesn't guarantee profits. Markets are unpredictable, so it's important to combine automation with proper risk management and strategy testing. If you're interested in tools that combine data analysis with automated trading insights, this type of market analyzer can be a powerful addition to your toolkit. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more trading tech insights. The bot hits take profit of $5 from taking 2 trades of even odd winning them bot. The high winning rate of the bot displays the power of the statistics adopted in binary trading. The bot then automatically stops once the trading objective has been achieved. You are welcome in starting a trading journey with us. Thank you.